Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Park MGM. The fight must be over, yeah. Oh no, everyone. Guess who is doing the Park MGM with me tonight? What's up?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Oh yeah, there's
the
the
people.
I know. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous going in there. The pool looks nice.
Yeah.
How would you like have to climb out that ladder?
That right there is the last little section
That they gotta
of
finish.
Monte Carlo that they gotta get rid of.
Yeah. Let's talk about up here, but the top. See it right there?
Look at that lift. I have to go up in those sometimes.
That's scary, Brandon. Oh, that's an elevator. I thought that was a ladder. Alright. So we're going to the casino. It's date night after this, y'all. We're gonna do the video. And then, who knows where the night's gonna take us.
Date night.
Gosh, you guys, haven't you missed him?
Oh, thanks. Hey, actually, 2 adults going in doing the casino walkthrough.
I know, and I'm sure there's gonna be mass security in here from all those people just walking in.
Look at Beer Towers. That's a cool view of how they are.
Is it that right there? So we're talking about this tower right there and that tower. It's kind of cool. So they just remodeled Park MGM and they're not 100% finished. We were gonna wait, but we have so many requests to do it. Thank you. So here we are. Welcome to Park MGM. So UFC fight just went down tonight. I'm not sure who won or lost, but that's why it is so busy in here. So Park has a the monorail goes through here, right? From here to...
I think from here to the Bellagio.
Yeah. Smells good in here. That's a car rental place. Holy criminy. Babe, don't leave me. Look at this room. What is with the tree in the middle? It smells so nice in here. So there's a tree up top. Anyway, here's Concierge.
It's really loud in here.
Super loud. But we came at the right time, I think. Here's a little gift shop.
Alright, we'll go to the right. That's guest elevators ahead.
Oh, those are the rooms up there. This must be a check-in area, maybe? Let's go out to the pool. There's a gate up. Oh.
I got you, bro.
Well, thanks, Brennan.
Yeah.
Alright, so all these people are going to the tram, right? Because that takes them to the Aria and Bellagio. That guy looked like Coco.
Like the pub.
Alright, here's a little bit of slots when you walk in.
Pubs in the world.
Craig,
Got my beer.
Craig is a rule breaker.
I usually can't. Is it worth breaking the rules?
Breaking the rules.
Yes, I think this is it. Thank you to whoever told us about this. We appreciate you.
We do. This is nice.
Yeah, we would have never found this.
So there's a little terrace up here, and you can get a view of their pool area. Their pool doesn't look that big, but there's a lot of, looks like chairs and cabanas. And then this is that dinner place that's outdoor seating for them, but it is hot, so nobody wants to sit out there. A bar over there as well. Yeah.
That's a bar. Then there's a bar in the back. They for some reason didn't want to put the lazy river back in, but
Oh, they took out the lazy river. Oh, I remember you had that. Yeah.
You guys, so they told us to come to this terrace to get a cool video of the pool, or picture of the pool, but now the doors are locked, so we're stuck out here. We're gonna try to go through this exit door. Hopefully we don't make any emergency sounds. Gosh.
So they have 3 pools.
Oh, they have 3.
That's a cool view. Alright. Well, I guess we gotta go out here. You ready for this?
No? Where are we?
Yes, ma'am. Alright, so we are back. Valet, concierge.
All right. What? So they have their own self-check-ins here, you guys. That's crazy. One guy working. Herma Rose. Alright. So this little corner store is closed. Looks like you can get some jewelry. So when you win big, you can buy your lady something nice. So, yeah. Oh, she just won $110. Oh, it's still going. She won on Wheel of Fortune. Oh, it's at 170 and going. Still going. There's so many people in here. There's a little dose of Slot World, you guys.
Slot World. Yeah, party time.
Party time. Oh, there's a Flintstones. I like Flintstones. So there's some high limit slots. Usually you know high limit slots because it's roped off like that. There's quite a few people in there. There's their tables. There's a few of them anyway. Let's go to the right. So there's a little center bar there, guys.
Really busy.
Yeah, I know. It's so busy right now. Slot World. Little dose. The table games are packed, you guys. Minimums tonight are $15 minimums. 25 on that. What's on roulette? Black one.
15.
$15 minimums right now. There's craps tables. There's Let It Ride. Everything's $15 minimums or higher. That's crazy. Crazy, but they're so packed right now.
Well, it's right after that fight.
Yeah. So we'll do a little bit of Slot World. Oh, so they have the roulette. They have 2 roulette videos, blackjack and craps. All video. So give me your opinion. Do you like the videos better or the dealers? Because I feel like videos get rid of dealers. There's Juniper, a cocktail lounge right over here. That's so packed in here. Oh my god, is this like bathroom line? No, this is to the sports book. Everybody's going to the sports book. I don't know what is going on. Oh, they're cashing in their tickets maybe because the fight's over. Yeah, they have tickets in their hands. Good for them. Hopefully the underdog won, so they won big. Here's more Slot World. More slots. There's Wheel of Fortune. On the Record opening New Year's Eve. Looks like that takes you to the Strip, Las Vegas Boulevard. Hence the sign. Look at all these slot machines. Nobody's playing in the back. These are probably the ones that are set higher. Alright, Craig's probably wondering where I went. So we'll head back over there. Oh, there's the fishy game. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh no, this is the fishy game I like. Yeah. I wonder if Craig will come play that with me. I'm gonna ask him. I like it. Alright, I gotta find him. I feel like everyone's super dressed up in here tonight. Ooh. Tree of Life, or Tree of Wealth. Casablanca. There's a bunch of cool games in here. So they like made Las Vegas Boulevard. You go down this little hallway right here. Remember how it used to be all open right here?
Yeah.
Look, they closed it all in. Isn't that weird? Because remember you would walk down those steps right there. It's weird to me.
It's all under construction right now.
They got the goldfish game. You want to play?
Oh, they do have it.
This one. I like this one better than this one.
Alright.
We're going to play fishies. Because I got Craig and not Colin tonight.
Do you want to play too?
Alright, so we're going fishing. We want that big fat red one. I don't know my fish, but that's the one we want. Now we go fishing. Ah, so close. Lame. Come on. What happened? I gotta change it up. This machine's weird. It won't work anymore. Mine keeps jamming.
There you go.
I want to go fishing. Let's go. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish. Oh, Craig's giving me his sense.
My sense.
I was like, you made my fish stop.
Let's say you went down.
Huh?
Come on, let's get it.
Ah! No fishing? Ready? Nothing. Oh. Come on, give us fishes. Nothing? No?
You gotta fix every model.
Right? Nothing.
That's it.
Lame. Let's go find the front desk. Did we find the front desk?
Yeah.
Or is that check-in?
Concierge.
Yeah. So these games aren't up, which I find odd because it's so busy.
Well, you want to keep all the games busy, right?
Yeah, but why wouldn't they open these ones if all those ones are busy? Look, all of them are got people at them. Did you see that line for the sports book? Everybody getting their money.
That's it.
Winning.
No, I don't think you do.
Alright, so here's a little shop over here, you guys. So one of the gentlemen that work here was telling us how expensive parking has gotten. I don't know if I've told you before, if you get the M Life credit card, you automatically go to tier Pearl on your M Life card. So you get free parking with that. Tier Pearl status. The cashier. Here's more table games. Whoa. The cocktail waitresses have cute little dresses. That guy has an Ohio shirt on, that's cool. It's like the state of Ohio. It's black. So this is it. This is Park MGM. I feel like it's small in here. Are we missing something? This is a nice little center bar area. You want a beer or something? Or are you good?
Let's go down to Fremont.
We're going to Fremont on date night. Yeah. Oh, there's the box office. We didn't show them that. There's a little bar. That's random. There's the high table games over there. Oh, Greg found a beer.
Yeah, they're just pre-canned.
What is it?
Mojito and a margarita.
Nah, not that fancy.
Yes, please.
So we have our own little bar. It looks like he was set up probably for all those people coming in. And not many people stopped, obviously, because he's empty. Everybody's over at that bar. So I wanted to go over there.
All that's gotta come down.
Yeah, this is all part of Monte Carlo, the green. So they park.
And they gotta get rid of all that crown.
Yeah, I wasn't lying to you when I said they're not finished, but I know.
Park Theater.
Yeah, I know a lot of people are coming this summer. Sorry you can't see because that bright light. But that's their Park Theater. A lot of you are coming this summer and really wanted to see it, so.
Oh, pedestrian.
Where? Which way?
Right here.
Let's go where these people are going. Look at that Hellcat calling. Kinda like that. Blue rims. Alright, y'all.
The Park MGM. Look at those letters.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Here's the bell desk. No,
Yeah, it is pretty small in here. You want to go by the prim rose? Look at the menu.
yeah. Prim rose with fresh flowers out.
$16 cocktails, $15 burgers, $38 filet. Pretty good prices.
It's typical casino pricing.
Yep.
Let's go. Did you want to tell them how many rooms?
Oh, okay. It's got a total of 2,700.
Oh, I was close. I said 29. 2,700 and how many, or when was it built? I'm going to say it's 16 years old.
1996, so
96.
22.
Dang, I don't like being wrong.
She looks tired.
I think she's a little passed out. Spilled my drink on me. By going up the escalators with this hot stuff. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching our video of Park MGM. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out, Vegas.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart.